Okay, second update. It is midnight, or well, just past midnight now, and I have 2 lessons recorded and edited. I made pretty good progress. The first lesson, I had 5 false starts, and then I finally found my rhythm and I started recording. And then I spent a little extra time just editing that first lesson right away so that I could get a feel for how I wanted to set it up and what that length was going to be like. I didn't do a lot of editing, just cutting out some silences or some gaps just here and there. But for the most part, like there are even some parts where I kind of stumble over my words a little bit, and I was just like, it's okay. Like once in a while, I'm human. It's all good. Here's what it looks like. I'm in ScreenFlow. I'm very fast at editing in ScreenFlow. So I set it up here and I decided to basically go with a variation of this template that you're watching this video in, because why not? Hopefully you like the setup. I like the setup. So I went with it, and I've got a little bit of editing here. There's a little bit of background music, just like you're hearing right now. There's a little bit of animation, a little bit of, extra fancy ScreenFlow things that ScreenFlow makes really easy. And yeah, so the first one's ready to go, and the second one is ready to go as well. This first video came out to be 4 minutes and 28 seconds, and the second video came out to be 4 minutes and 58 seconds. I'm keeping track of that, and that comes out to basically 9 minutes and 26 seconds. So we're about 10 minutes in, and my goal is to keep this at 60 minutes or under, ideally. So I think that I'm doing okay. If everything goes well, there will be some slightly longer videos in the middle. I could also break them down. We'll see. But for now, I'm feeling really good, and I have an idea for a second tier of the course, which I may or may not do depending on my progress when I wake up in the morning, because it is midnight. So after this update goes live, I'm going to go to bed and then wake up nice and early and finish the rest of this course and get it launched. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm feeling pretty good.